Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into a massive toolkit of 18 AI tools designed to completely streamline your content workflow. Look, if you've ever just sat there staring blankly at your screen, desperately wondering how on earth you're going to get all your content out the door this week, well, you're in exactly the right place. Let's get into it. Okay, let's kick things off with this massive statistic. A staggering 85% of marketers are now using AI tools for content creation. I mean, just think about that number for a second. If you aren't integrating artificial intelligence into your daily systems right now, you aren't just slightly behind the curve, you are in a shrinking 15% minority. It's wild. This tech has rapidly shifted from being some futuristic novelty to an absolute everyday necessity. And honestly, this quote right here perfectly captures our new reality. "I created this from scratch" is a sentence marketers are saying less and less. We are finally moving away from the tyranny of the blank page, stepping into an era where AI is our ultimate creative assistant. The days of agonizing over a blinking cursor, they're fading fast. Instead, we're starting with outlines, concepts, and generated ideas, which lets us completely leapfrog the hardest part of the creative process. Just getting started. So, here is how we'll break it down today. 1. The new creator reality. 2. 10 AI power tools. 3. 8 free quick win tools. 4. Why you need AI. And finally, 5. Mastering your AI assistant. All right, let's jump straight into section 1, the new creator reality. What exactly are AI content creation tools? So here is the absolutely crucial distinction. AI content creation software generates visual or written content based on your prompts, helping your team create faster and at scale. But remember, these tools do not replace you. They augment you. Your brain is still the engine, right? The AI is just the high-speed assembly line. Moving right along to section 2, 10 AI power tools. Let's take a curated tour of the heavy hitters. There's actually a super fascinating distinction happening right now between general AI and purpose-built AI. Take ChatGPT versus OliWriter. Everyone knows ChatGPT, right? It's a phenomenal natural language processing chatbot, perfect for general brainstorming and initial drafts. But when we compare it to a tool like Hootsuite's OliWriter, we see a massive evolution. OliWriter actually uses ChatGPT's underlying model, but it's specifically trained on a decade of Hootsuite's successful social media playbook. So instead of getting a generic response, it instantly generates strategy-backed social media captions tailored for high engagement. It's a real game changer. Now, moving beyond basic chatbots, we have 3 highly specialized text and strategy tools. First up is Claude. Claude is fascinating because it prioritizes safer, highly reliable outputs, making it absolutely fantastic for digesting complex info, writing code, or parsing massive transcripts. Next is Jasper. Jasper is an absolute powerhouse for matching your specific brand tone, and it effortlessly translates that content into 30 different languages. And then we have Copy.ai, which is designed specifically for sales workflows, helping you research accounts and build go-to-market campaigns with just incredible speed. But hey, it's not just about text, is it? When it comes to visual design and video, this suite of tools changes everything. You can generate original art through Midjourney or ask beautiful AI to generate entire polished presentation decks, which, trust me, saves you from hours of painfully dragging text boxes around. And if you hate traditional video editing, no worries. Descript literally lets you edit audio and video just by deleting words in a text transcript. It's like magic. Plus, InVideo will create short-form videos straight from your text prompts, while Canva uses its magic design feature to instantly suggest matching templates and repurpose your content everywhere. Okay, let's jump to section 3, 8 free quick win tools. This is all about getting immediate value without the subscription. It's honestly amazing how much you can do without spending a single dime. Look at this incredible toolkit provided entirely for free by Hootsuite. You can rapidly streamline your daily busy work using these 8 generators. Need to optimize for the YouTube algorithm? Boom! Use the dedicated title and description generators. Starting a new campaign? Instantly spin up a month of concepts using the blog and content idea generators. You've even got platform-specific caption and hashtag generators, meaning you can finally stop wasting 20 minutes trying to write a single catchy Instagram post. The whole shebang is right there. Which brings us to section 4, why you need AI. Let's talk about the undeniable ROI of AI. When we look at the core benefits of AI workflows, I want you to really focus on the applications here. We're talking about saving serious time by batching tweets, proofreading, and summarizing reports. You can generate ideas to be creative block or optimize for social SEO by getting the right keywords and structures for the algorithms. But honestly, perhaps the most impactful benefit here is how it supports smaller teams. If you're a solo marketer or an entrepreneur, AI allows a team of one to produce en masse. You can scale and translate content across formats and boost your productivity by rapidly formatting messy notes into perfect tables and lists. Finally, we arrive at Section 5, Mastering Your AI Assistant. These are the expert blueprints for safe implementation.
So, the first major question we need to address is all about mindset. With all this automated power at our fingertips, how should we actually view AI in the creative process without losing our edge and, just becoming lazy?
Chelsea Hensley over at Visme completely hits the nail on the head here. She says, let AI do the tedious work. Let your ideas remain original, and use AI to free up more time to keep creating awesomeness. You really have to treat AI like a highly capable administrative assistant. Hand off the tedious stuff, right? The meeting summaries, the reformatting, the spell checking. Do that so your core strategic ideas remain entirely original and deeply human. But of course, that brings up our next crucial question. What are AI's limitations in content creation? If AI is our assistant, where exactly does this technology fall short? We absolutely have to know its blind spots to use it effectively. Well, as freelance writer Tracy Rawlinson warns, AI is great for getting started, but knowing its limitations will help make sure your relevant content is current and well-rounded. Because language models are trained on existing data, they often lack the absolute latest research, current expert insights, and real-time demographic shifts. This means AI should strictly be used as a starting point, a framework, but absolutely never as the final, unquestioned word. So if we're heavily editing its output and making sure it has human oversight, how can an AI improve brand consistency across a large team? Like, how do we use it to actually lock in our specific brand identity? Emily Schwartz from Hawkes provides the exact solution for this. She says, by feeding an AI tool our style guide, AI makes it easy for our brand voice to come through clearly and consistently, no matter the writer, context, or medium. The secret is in the guardrails. By actively feeding your company's style guide, your unique verbiage, and specific messaging notes directly into the prompt, the AI ensures a unified voice. It acts like a powerful brand filter. Bringing it all together, let's look at this enterprise AI workflow blueprint. It's a simple 3-step process. Step 1, utilize AI tools for the repetitive heavy lifting, like drafting and outlining. Step 2, feed those tools your strict brand guidelines and style notes to maintain your voice. And step 3, which is arguably the most important one, always keep humans involved for fact-checking, editing, and that final strategic approval. That is how you win with AI. I want to leave you with this final thought. The tools we've explored today are readily available to completely streamline your process and multiply your output. So the only question left for you is, will you let AI do the busy work, or will you stubbornly keep doing it all yourself? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I highly encourage you to go test out one of these tools today. See what it can do for you.